Did you record that?
Nobody did.
Good morning, guys. Today's our day off, so we're just gonna chill with Will today. What is it? Everybody's standing there looking at me.
Chill with Will. Chill with Will.
Chill with Will. Chill. Will took the day off. He was supposed to be judging clutch kickers, but he's like, you know what? Forget clutch kickers. He's gonna hang out with us. Fail. No, clutch kickers got rescheduled. Round 5 is getting rescheduled because there's some crazy weather coming through Florida. So Will is taking the day to hang out with us instead of going to work. Yep. So we're trying to chill with Will today. Parts showed up. Thanks. There's the knuckle from D-Spare. They packaged it up, ship it out. Here's the extra axles that I may or may not end up needing. So that stuff all showed up just on time. Today's our day to get some stuff done. But we got some good axles on the car, so I don't think we're going to worry about that. We'll just take them with us for now as spares. I think we're gonna go, it's kind of overcast and gloomy, but we're gonna go drive around and just do some fun stuff in Houston. Will says he's got some cool spots to show us. Mikey wants to go get some shrimp food, and just all around hanging out. So I don't know where the day's gonna take us, but I'll film it, whatever it is. All right, so the first thing when I woke up, Jesse's like, hey man, I got some news for all you guys. And we're like, what, some sad news. I'm like, what happened, Jesse? He's like, Gallagher died. And half of us are like, oh no, not Gallagher. And the other half are like, who's Gallagher? So we spent the rest of the morning watching Gallagher videos.
Like half hour.
Jesse was on site for
you need to
moral
cut,
support.
You need to cut to the slow-mo where
We are. That's where I'm going.
Cut.
No, Rick and Mike, man, ruin the clip. But I'm inside, and then everybody's outside. I'm trying to finish the video, and Morgan's like, "Hey, you should go outside. They're doing something interesting out there." So I come out to find.
Yeah.
And there's pieces of apple on Kelly's hat. I'm like, yo, you missed out on something. But luckily,
in honor of a Gallagher.
Yeah, dude.
that piece right there is now this piece right here.
I'll leave it.
A little bit right there.
I'm in the
and
splash
right
zone. Yeah.
Oh.
Delicious. I got her.
You guys are actually pretty good.
I was just thinking about this, and I absolutely don't trust Rock Auto to send me the right axles.
Yo, dibs on the magnet.
Yeah, what's it gonna be?
It's gonna be a Plymouth.
It's gonna be a Volvo.
It'll be like Doug's Plymouth.
So I absolutely want to open and verify these axles so I actually know if I've got real axles or not. Where's Doug's Plymouth? Is there really no magnet in there? Bro.
Send it back. Not even. Yo, did you just bootleg Rock Auto?
That one?
Like someone started bootlegging Rock Auto?
This one looks legit. And that one looks legit. Alright. Finally, Rock Auto does something right for once.
So much more cost effective to buy cheap parts and replace them multiple times.
I feel like that's sarcasm, Mike.
No.
We got axles for days now. 2 brand new ones. That one's blown out. This one's blown out. I think there's another good one over here somewhere. One of those 2 is good. There's another blown out one. There's just piles and piles of axles. Some good, some bad. Forgot about this fuse I picked up the other day. Still in my pocket somewhere. Gotta keep that in my glove box. Next to my straws. I didn't think we were that rural in Texas, but this guy's rolling down the street with a hay bale on top with no strap. Like, that's some Utah stuff. I guess we're not close enough to Houston. We're in the suburbs where anything goes. I do love Texas. What are the chances that's gonna fall off? I mean, he does have it held on with the you know, some gravity and a ski rack. The best part is he's hiding his plate so nobody can get him. Wise, clever man right there. I got Will driving the car so I can so I can edit a video. This car is not kind to anybody that drives it.
I'm not doing great.
I love it. I love it. We've all three of us have been driving this trip so far. Have been arguing. There's no chance that anybody can drive this car smooth because the clutch sometimes it wants to work and sometimes it doesn't, and it's just like it's like rolling the dice. You don't know if it's gonna slip this time and let you go, or if it's just gonna just decide to just immediate release. It's like a I don't know. It's like a thing. It's like a trap. Drive my car, I dare you. All right, so stopped at 7-Eleven for a drink, and luckily I got straws on deck because they didn't have the straw I was looking for in there. So I'm gonna try one of these Brahms straws, rolling deep. These are Oklahoma, native Oklahoma straws. Boom, look at the size of that thing. High flow.
Let's get this figured out.
This car is not an easy car to deal with, and I'm enjoying watching Will learn every little intricacy about this car. And I know he's not one bit surprised.
Come on. I feel like I'm almost there.
Give her the beans, Will. Walking around downtown in the rain, had to leave the car back there, unprotected. Unprotected. Who knows what'll happen. We want to get some tacos. Some Houston tacos. I don't even know if that's a thing.
Show Jesse's fit.
What?
Show Jesse's fit, bro.
Jesse's fit?
Yeah, look at his fit.
Fit?
His outfit.
Oh, his outfit.
It's a fit, bro.
Yeah. What are you talking about?
I've never once called my clothes a fit.
Kelly's out here talking about that, but he's wearing a tracksuit last night to a party.
Corduroy jacket.
Come on now. Come on. Dude, the buildings in Houston are wild. They just go like, who knows how high that is. That might be the tallest building in the world.
Yeah, we can't even
right there.
see it.
There's no way to verify. So we're just gonna go with that. The tallest building in the world is in Houston. It is cold and wet. I'll drive. Woo! Driving through Houston traffic. We're headed to the after party. Well, the only party for the day. It's Texas Tires and Parts. Rudy Martinez, he's hosting us tonight. I guess Mike Zhang is gonna be making some Korean barbecue, so we're headed that way. And of course it's 6 o'clock on a Monday afternoon, leaving downtown Houston, so hitting the old traffic. And my temp gauge is going up slowly. I forgot to turn the fan on. Can't really stop on the freeway to turn it on, so we got the heater full blast. We're just trying to keep it cool. This car only relies on the fan for cooling. It doesn't have much airflow, especially at low speed, to keep it cool, so the struggle. Woo! What do we got here?
Got some marinated short ribs. This is my special John Yum special recipe.
Yeah.
That's what I call it.
You're Drift World famous. Everybody knows this.
Only for my cooking, not for my cooking.
Everybody knows you, your car, and your cooking.
Yeah. But yeah, we're eating tonight.
We're out here at Texas Tires and Parts, having a party. Everybody showed up. We're having a good old time, just hanging out. My car has been doing pretty well. I think the alignment's a little bit off after doing that front knuckle, so I want to go check it out. Probably tonight. Maybe I'll do it tomorrow at the track. It's been raining all day. It's not supposed to rain tomorrow at the track, so that'll be good. But it's been a chilly one on this trip. It's been a lot colder than I expected it to. Aside from that, I think my car's all good to go. So just an alignment. It was breaking up in fourth gear on the freeway, but I'm not super worried about that. at these second gear tracks, but I should probably check the spark plugs tomorrow too. Just finished cutting the video. We're gonna go hang out in the party and see what's up. Time for some karaoke. Aaron loves to party. Can everybody just shut up so I can talk? We're going to find a spot to take some pictures downtown. I want to get some cool shots with some light, some downtown scene stuff.
More light, more better.
I haven't had on this car. Yeah.
Right.
We're just leaving the party. We were gonna go street
Turn
drifting,
right.
but a bunch of people bailed on that. And so we're just gonna go take some pictures instead. Tomorrow's speed sports, so that should be a blast. It's a fun track to drive at. Came out here to take some shots, and I felt like the knuckle broke, like something didn't feel right. So we're jacking it up right now to check it out. We're like at least an hour from where we're staying at, so. And we don't have all the parts we need. We do have tools and a jack, so we're trying to figure it out right now. That's this. That's the sideshow meetup. That's the sideshow spot we were looking at on the map. There they go, man. Sideshowing it up. Get it.
Yeah, they're fucking in that car. I can tell.
On the wheel. Ow.
I need the light. I don't know, man. Maybe I'm crazy. I hope.
What are you looking at?
The knuckle.
What you might be thinking. That doesn't sound safe. That.
Go. Ugh.
Yeah, it's going hard, huh?
Go. Go.
Yeah, they said.
Yeah, dude. Looks all right. Looks all right.
I was like, no way, dude.
I was just overreacting. Something didn't feel right. That train kind of sounds like my belt.
It sounds worse. It sounds really bad. It sounds like
Same sound. Same
No.
sound.
no.
That's a man.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now. You just give me a...
God, no.
Dude, this is where we need to just pass really fast.